Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holders? So after a very long time, after a very bad fails, my friends, SafeMoon is starting moving upward. Wake up, SafeMoon is wake up, and exactly let's predict this coin, my brothers, can rally in upcoming time. There is also more chances to them moving upward. They will give you a good profit or not, my brothers. So let's get started. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. Select the all option, please. Thank you so much. Alright, so if you can see, my friend, in the last 2 months every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down. So I think you can see this time the SafeMoon is also fails down very badly. But after this fails, I hope, my friends, after this fails they also take a very huge jump. So I hope the good time is coming soon. But hold it, if you can see this time the price is also very cheap, 0.00011 USD dollars. So if you have any plan, to invest more than exactly, I think this time is going to be very good. Because, my brother, if you can see the last 7 months, especially in this month and the start of this month, they will wake up and they take a very huge jump, my brother. You can see here just the first week of this month, it's going to be very positive. So it's 100% sure, my brothers, to in this month they will wake up and they completely, my friends, struggle like that. Absolutely, they will give you very good profit at the end of month. So if they give you a profit at the end of month, so why you are not holding, my brother, why you are not investing? Kindly go now, invest, and good time, my brothers. So don't miss this chance. Absolutely, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, as a brother, I advise you, please research personally before you take any decisions. Hold everything, my friends. You please take any decision, research personally. Thanks for watching. Please, SafeMoon holder, coming time they will go up, so you need to hold. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.